Good morning, students. Let's continue Science Lesson 7 Earth, Sun, and Moon. Children, today we will study about Earth. So, the planet Earth on which we live is a huge ball revolving around the Sun. Children, as you can see in the solar system that our planet Earth, it is ranked in the third position. So scientists believe that millions of years ago, our Earth was just a huge cloud of dust and gases floating in space. Over a period of time, the Earth cooled and hardened. The Earth's surface cooled and formed a crust. But the inside of the Earth is still bubbling hot or molten. Even today, our planet is in the process of cooling. So the Earth is not a perfect sphere. It is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. Today, let us study about the internal structure of the Earth. So the Earth's structure can be divided into three parts. The first one is the crust, number 2 mantle, and number 3 is the core. So let us study all these three parts briefly. Let us see the first part of the Earth, which is the crust. So the crust, it is the outermost layer of the Earth. Its thickness ranges from about 5 kilometers below the ocean floor to about 70 kilometers below the land. So the high mountains, deep valleys, plains, deep oceans make up the crust. But the crust, it is the thinnest layer. Thinnest means sabse patla. So the inner, it is made up of rocks and contains all the things essential for life. Next comes the middle layer, which is known as the mantle. This rocky mantle, it lies beneath the crust. So the upper part, the upper, or you can say the outer region of the mantle, it consists of solid rocks, and the inner region of the mantle consists of molten rocks. In this mantle, there is an interesting thing to know that during volcanic eruption, the molten magma, it comes out from this layer to the surface of the Earth. Now comes the last part of the Earth, which is the core. And this is the innermost layer of the Earth. Or you can say that it is the center of the planet. It is mainly composed of iron and nickel. So it has two parts, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core, it is in molten liquid state, and the inner core, it is like a solid sphere or a solid ball which is made up of iron, and this outer core, it contains the iron and nickel. So children, today the explanation of the internal structure of the Earth is over. Your assignment is to read the explained topic nicely and please draw this diagram in your copy. Thank you.